everyone! So today I'm going to show you how you can actually get your shoulder stand done. So first things first, this is all about strength. So all you need to do is really just try to stare at something in front of you. Also, you can get yourself a pillow or a blanket just for the comfort. So for the basics, how do you pose your hands? So this is how I do it. I just put my fingers together and put it behind my head, just like this. And this is for the beginners. I would recommend you putting one leg at a time so it's easier, I guess. Option number 2. You're going to place both of your legs together and just slowly bend your knees, and then whoop, you're gonna jump and slowly get to your pose. That's the second option. If you're not feeling comfortable doing this right now, stick to the first option and eventually you'll get to the second. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped and have a great day.